अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब, मेरे आपसे दो सवाल हैं। आपने सारे ये पढ़ लिए हैं। लास्ट टाइम व्हेन यू हैड अ मीटिंग विद द ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, आपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की और आपने कहा 6 जजेस ने मिसकॉन्डक्ट किया।
नहीं सर।
सो
ये
वेल आई सॉ दैट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस यू एंड
एक तो कुछ कहा नहीं, बट दूसरा ये कि मिसकॉन्डक्ट की तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता।
यू वर सिटिंग देयर।
नहीं, बट ये तो कोई
एक सेकंड जरा सुन लीजिएगा। ये सारे जो अभी हाई कोर्ट्स ने
नहीं सर, एब्सोल्युटली, ये तो वैसे ही मैं उसको
सुन तो
रिजेक्ट कर देता हूं कि ऐसी अगर कोई बात हुई है तो गलत है।
आप निकाल लीजिएगा। दिस इज व्हाट यू हैड सेड एंड इट वाज आल्सो
मैंने तो नहीं कहा था, बट अगर कहा भी किसी ने था तो मैं उसको रिजेक्ट करता हूं।
प्रेजेंट इन दैट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। अब सुन,
बट मुझे ये तो नहीं याद
तो
कि कोई मिसकॉन्डक्ट।
क्या ये सारे हाई कोर्ट्स ने अभी मिसकॉन्डक्ट किया?
नहीं सर, मैं तो कह रहा हूं उन्होंने भी नहीं किया, तो ये कैसे किसी
एक सेकंड जरा सुन लीजिएगा।
बट मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन तो कर दूं ना सर।
आपने अपने कॉन्डक्ट से interference since last hearing establish kar di, the kind of malicious campaign against the judges, and the presumption is that the state obtained their personal data. आपने एक JIT बनाई थी जिसने 31 नोटिसेस इशू किए थे जुडिशरी के लिए। Did that JIT respond? I'm sure it did not. क्या वो देखें ना, I speaking for myself, I will never want any GIT. Let anyone say whatever they want to say against me. That is my test. लेकिन, you see, if the state was not complicit, then the same GIT would have tried to protect them. It did not. This is, again, you see, the interference has been established through your conduct again. So it is not a simple issue. It is a continuing phenomena. There's a culture of deviancy that has been normalized by this institution. That's the question.
पहली बात पे तो मैं, दूसरी बात से तो आपका पॉइंट है बिल्कुल सर। जो पहली बात है, अगर वहाँ पे हुई भी थी ये बात तो वो गलत बात थी। कोई मिसकॉन्डक्ट नहीं था किसी जज का ये खत लिखना। सारी हाई कोर्ट्स ने भी उसको एंडोर्स किया। मैं मौजूद था। इन हाइंडसाइट शायद नहीं होना चाहिए था, होना ही नहीं चाहिए था बाकी वाले। बट मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये अगर बात की थी किसी ने, गलत की थी। मैं उसको बिल्कुल रिजेक्ट करता हूं।
कोर्ट्स ने ज्यादा सीरियस चीजें कही हैं।
पेशावर हाई कोर्ट के सबसे ज्यादा सीरियस है। वो तो कहते हैं कि हमें तो फिर बाहर से लाइफ थ्रेट्स आती है, तो ये तो बहुत सीरियस है। और बात ये, हम इस लेटर लिखा गया, इस पे बात हो सकती है कि अच्छा लिखा है, बुरा लिखा है, टाइमिंग पे बात हो सकती है। लेकिन एक बात तो तय है ना कि इस लेटर की वजह से बाकी जजेस भी बोल पड़े, उनको भी हिम्मत आई है, लेकिन अभी पूरा नहीं बोले।
ये learned attorney general speaking for myself, all these reports of the high courts are so serious and grave in nature that जिस तरह my lord ने last hearing में कहा था, the committee has to consider a full court so that the response is appropriate and there's a collective wisdom of this institution's highest body.
When do we keep it next?
Sir, I am in your hands. I think matter is important whenever.
No, do you want to respond to the?
In writing.
No, I am of the view that, speaking for myself, that ये सारे हाई कोर्ट्स ने जो कहा है, आप इसका जवाब फेडरल गवर्नमेंट एंड द इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज मस्ट फाइल देयर रिप्लाईज।
Response दे दें।
Response दें ना कि क्या, what do they say? Because all these reports are talking about agencies. So all the 3 intelligence agencies give a response. I'm speaking for myself. I don't know how the bench thinks, and also the federal government.
Let them file affidavits.
My lord,
saying that there has never been any interference.
And who will file the affidavit?
And these high courts.
उनके तो नाम भी किसी को नहीं आते।
And these high courts are not stating the facts.
My lord.
Anyway, sorry.
If this is what you want to say.
I'm very clear. I mean, can I give an affidavit that there have been interference with the Supreme Court? I will say there has been. So we have to have specifics, we have to have time periods, we cannot have open-ended things like that. If you want an affidavit from me, I will give an affidavit there has been within the Supreme Court, not any outside agency. So let's start, we have to be careful. Are we looking to the past? If we're looking to the past, are we looking to the future? For me, the most important thing in all of this is your lack of legislation. This will continue endlessly. That may also not stop it, but that is an important milestone. The lack of legislation. There has to be legislation. Everybody has to operate within a certain parameters. How does he know that? Through some law. Okay, this is my law, this is my past, this is what I can do, what I can't do. So I think, तो आप अपने replies अगर आप फाइल करना चाहते हैं फेडरल गवर्नमेंट, वो फेडरल गवर्नमेंट की एजेंसीज है ना?
जी सर.
अच्छा ठीक है.
ये अगेन कमिंग बैक, यू सी, आप खुद एडमिट करते हैं कि 2017 में इट वाज योर गवर्नमेंट and yet there was political engineering. So even if there's legislation, do you think it would make any difference? The executive, the prime minister and the cabinet, they have taken an oath to uphold the constitution. And they are answerable to the people. They have to be honest and truthful to the people.
Without a doubt.
So that happens, there's no need for any legislation.
So the
legislation, एक judgment मौजूद है, इसलिए वो तो उसका consequence
ये
है.
सारे जो हाई कोर्ट से आए हैं ना जी, इनका जवाब, I mean, I would imagine the federal government and the agencies give their response.
You may also want to, like some honorable members have given suggestion what to do. You may also give those.
My lord.
The thing is, let's not just keep beating our breasts and ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya. Bhai, let's move ahead. I mean, you know, let's make Pakistan functional. Let's work for the people. Let's administer justice. I mean, I think that's what it is, because everybody is so divided because they want to do, they only want to utter what's happened on someone else's watch. Okay, I put myself forward for accountability on my watch. Raise your finger now. I cannot be held accountable for what happened in the past. If you want to know, I'll tell you things you want to know about them. That's what purpose it will serve. I don't know if it will serve any purpose to ensure that these things do not happen in the future. You can give directives to things that this should not happen. That's an administrative act. You can enact legislation to prevent that from happening. We can, I mean, these are old matters. I mean, we can attend to them also, but then why only these old matters? Why not matters which are other matters also? Then that also, because then it looks very political if it's for only a certain period of time and you don't go beyond a certain period of time. I don't want to make it political. If you want to make it political, then it should go all the way.
With great respect, it is not the past, it is today's. The High Court's reports are for today. So, जिस तरह my lord ने कहा, file replies. And
file replies and
update कोई रख लेते हैं फिर हम
notice to the parties
notice already and to the are you on notice? Can I see the last?
मैं तो 27A के नोटिस पे भी हूँ और मैं तो नोटिस पे हूँ, बाकी पिटिशंस में भी नहीं हुआ, मैं तो नोटिस पे हूँ सर.
तो हम
under in SMC the last order I am on notice under 27A also.
Order sheet last order में क्या था?
जी. Sir, it's
the petition file the reply and the agency file a reply with the order.
Paragraph 15, sir. 14 was inviting suggestions from Supreme Court Bar and Pakistan Bar Council, and 15 you had directed issuance of notices. Sir, paragraph.
एक second. The Supreme Court.
जी.
Okay.
Break करो तो
We'll just order the निकाल के रखें. We'll take a short break and we'll come back. देख लें, हमने नोटिस किया है, हमने हाँ. So
paragraph 14, 15.
Please, I don't want people talking from all over the place.